Yep, I think I'm on too. Oh yeah, I'm on. Hook 'em in the mouth, we on. Get your ass over here.
Alright, you got one. Let's go.
Hooking them in the mouth, roundabout this mug. Welcome to Hook 'em in the Mouth kayak fishing. I'm your hook master, Charles Kramer. And we got a lot of hookups for you today. So let me go ahead and get into it. No longer talking, just straight hookups. Remember, when you're out there, don't snag them, hook them in the mouth. So let's go, let's get it, and let's make it happen. Hook 'em in the mouth, what's going on? This your boy and your host, Charles Kramer, letting you know I'm about to hook 'em in the mouth. I'm out here on the roundabout, y'all see. Y'all see. Y'all see. Y'all see the roundabout. Oh shit. Y'all see the roundabout. We on the roundabout. I'm about to make it happen. I got a couple hours. I just want to go ahead and hook something in the mouth. I'm doing a little freshwater fishing. This is bass fishing, so you know, it is what it is. I'm out here. It ain't a big lake. It's just a little old private pond. Not a private pond, but a retention pond out here in Florida. And I just thought I'd drop my old roundabout in here and try for some bass. Did see something good going on over there, but until I get a hookup, let's go, let's get it, let's make it happen. You know what I do when I get out here? I don't snag them, I hook them in the mouth. So holla at your boy. I'm in the mouth. Yep, I think I'm on too. Oh yeah, I'm on. Hook 'em in the mouth, we on. Get your ass over here. Hooking them in the mouth, roundabout this mug. Get over here. He's pretty. Oh, nice little head shake for me. Oh, flip. Yeah. It's better than what I caught earlier. Nothing.
That's number 17 for the day.
We're gonna get 20 today. Hook him in the mouth. We got a little guy right here. He's a little fat chunk. Got a nice little belly.
Yeah, pretty big.
And I hooked him in the mouth. Oh, holla at your boy, man. Peace. Man, that's fun. I knew something was chasing me because that guy was acting way too funny. He was like, I gotta get out of here. It's been a while, but I hooked his ass in the mouth. To the next hookup. What's up, y'all? You see what me and the roundabout did? We hooked him in the mouth, boy. Holla at your boy. Probably about a pound and a half. We want to get realistic with it, we can. We can get realistic. Get realistic one time with it. Load out the wrong way, homeboy. We'll put him down there from the bottom of the jaw. You're looking at 17 inches right here. 17 inches. He's probably not even a pound. If he got a pound in it. Well, he's almost 2 pounds. I knew he was in the grass waiting on that frog, so I hooked him in the mouth. Holla at your boy. Hook him in the mouth, what's going on? We're running out of daylight. I gotta call it a night, alright? I got 1 bass in the boat, we measured it, and I bullshitted on 2 hookups, sorry guys. I'm not perfect, you know what I'm saying? I bullshitted on the hookup! But anyways, I guess that's gonna be it for today. So remember to subscribe to the channel, have fun, be safe, and don't snag them. Hook 'em in the mouth. Holla at your boy.